what's the big mystery?
I have seen one or two things in my life, but never anything like this.
You know there is no way on earth you're going to leave here tonight without taking me with you.
It was a Sunday morning, March 7th, 1999, and my mother phoned me and said, Daddy's dead.
News just in, we've just heard that the film director Stanley Kubrick has died at the age of 70.
He just finished what was to be his last film, Eyes Wide Shut, which took 5 years to make.
The difficulty with Eyes Wide Shut is that everybody in the audience is an expert on sexual fantasy and jealousy. He just wasn't quite sure how can he put this on the screen. It's the most difficult film he did in his life. No question about it. It took also forever to do it. It took a long time.
He thought that it was his best film, and he was very, very proud of it.